I've heard about the German Christmas market in Birmingham for quite some time and decided to finally head out there to check it out. Birmingham is twinned with the German city of Frankfurt. Outside of Germany, the market is known as the largest in Europe, so I guess I'll find out why soon enough. The city has been hosting this festive market for about 20 years and has become a major tourist attraction in Britain in the run-up to Christmas. Heading up to Birmingham by train is pretty enjoyable. And as you approach UK's second largest city, you can see how much development is going on, seeing all the construction cranes on the horizon. I've been advised the best time to visit the Christmas market is at night, so I've given myself plenty of time during the day to explore other things. I arrive at its quaint Victorian Moore Street station. It's just across from the Bullring, a massive city center shopping center, and home to the iconic Suffrages building. There's also so much history here. This area is called the Bullring because back in the 1700s, bull baiting used to take place. Bulls would be tied to an iron ring and baited or pitted against dogs before they were off for slaughter. This practice dates way back to the 1500s in Britain. Fast forward, and the only bulls you'll see these days are the iconic ones in the middle of the shopping center and Aussie the mechanical bull at the New Street train station. Aussie is named after Ozzy Osbourne, the lead singer of Black Sabbath, who is also Brummy and who performed at the opening ceremony of the Commonwealth Games back in 2022. So Mechanical Bull Aussie was wheeled out for the opening ceremony, and I watched it on the telly, and I have to admit, it's even more impressive to see Aussie in person. Brummies were outraged to discover that once the games were over, the organizers planned to dismantle Aussie the Bull and turn him into scrap metal. The Brummies kicked off, and there was a campaign to rescue Aussie from the scrap heap, and that paid off brilliantly. So here it is, center stage at the big New Street station, greeting travelers. So it's time to head out on a short walk over to DIGBETH to check out the Custard Factory. I have no interest in custard, and the actual factory is long gone, but the original Victorian building still stands, and it's called the Custard Factory. It's been converted into a hub for businesses, mainly in the creative sector. There apparently are big plans for this neighborhood to become Brummywood, a huge film, TV, and animation hub with Stephen Knight, the creator of Peaky Blinders, setting up his Mercian studios in this area. Street art abound, and you can really see how it's celebrated here. This place is known as the Floodgates, and it's pretty cool to learn it's a popular place for parties, raves, and special events. It's a colorful neighborhood. I I find myself walking along the Floodgate Street and stumble across the Red Brick Market. It was established a few years ago. It has more than 60 stalls with independent traders offering secondhand items, collectibles, and handcrafted or repurposed creations. At the entrance, you're greeted by a cafe and a spray paint stall that even has a vending machine selling spray cans for the street artists who need supplies in a hurry. It's incredible to see the maze of individual stalls selling a huge variety of vintage stuff. And what a great surprise finding this stall set up by Acting Vinyl, selling old records repurposed for daily use. The seller prides themselves in upcycling damaged or unplayable records into artwork, clocks, notebooks, and even bookmarkers. So how cool is that? I think they make perfect, unique gifts for record collectors. I could spend hours here at the Red Brick Market and checking out the record shops too in Birmingham. But my main aim today is to visit the famous Birmingham Frankfurt Christmas Market. So off I go. Marks the start of the market and it runs up to the center, up towards Victoria Square. It's been a great day and memorable evening for sure. I'm already looking forward to coming back sooner rather than later, as there's just so much more to check out in this vibrant city.
We have some trouble. when you're ready, make it down, but don't worry, you'll be happy. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't worry, be happy. Na 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 na.
Don't worry, be happy.
I came to a place, I got no style. Somebody came and took your bath. But don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy.
Let's not say you're rather late. You might have to give a drink, but don't worry,
Don't worry,
be happy.
don't worry, be happy.